Factories are the backbone of production, but they come with their share of hazards. Let's take a look at some common dangers and how to stay safe. Hazard number 1. Slips, trips, and falls. Wet floors, misplaced tools, and cluttered pathways can lead to accidents. To avoid this, keep floors dry, use warning signs, and keep pathways clear. Simple housekeeping makes a big difference. Next up, machine-related injuries. Operating faulty machinery or without proper safety guards is a recipe for disaster. Regular maintenance, safety guards, and proper training keep you protected. And remember, lockout, tagout during maintenance. Hazard number 3. Chemical exposure. Mishandling or improper storage of chemicals can be dangerous. Use PPE, follow safety protocols, and always check safety data sheets. Your safety is in your hands. Fire hazards can escalate quickly. Faulty wiring, overheating equipment, or flammable materials are common culprits. Regular checks, proper storage, and practicing evacuation plans can save lives. Repetitive tasks and poor workstation design can lead to long-term injuries. Redesign workstations, take breaks, and practice proper posture. A little care goes a long way. Factory safety starts with you. Identify hazards, follow safety practices, and work smart. Together, we can create a safer workplace.